Hey Faves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and welcome. In today's video, I will be telling you why you need to buy Pump Princess. So if you want to sit back and stay tuned and me see you after the intro to tell you about my experience, you know what to do. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you after the intro. Thanks, Faves. Okay girls, I will not be before you long, or men, you know, if you're trying to look out for your significant other. So I just wanted to hop in and tell y'all that Pump Princess, okay, can I get a, oh, there we go. Yes, there we go. Pump Princess, y'all. So let me just read you the instructions. So you're supposed to take 2 capsules 3 times daily. So what I do, I take 3 capsules in the morning time, and then 3 capsules in the afternoon, because I just could not, for the love of me, remember to take 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 2 at night. It's just too much, okay? In the life of a mom, a pumping mom, y'all know what I mean. It's just too much to remember. So that's what I did. I will be sharing you my results in a minute. I just want to clean house for a moment, okay? So where you can get these, either you can get it from the Legendary Milk website. I will leave that somewhere in this video, or you can go off, you cannot get it off of Amazon for some odd reason. It doesn't sell it. I don't know why. You can go in Target, or go on Target's website and get it from Target. It is $19.99 for a 10-day supply. Hear me out, okay? So if your milk, why I say that is expensive is because 10 days, that's a lot, especially if you're a just enougher. I'm a just enougher, okay? So whatever comes out is what Paisley's eating for the next day. There's nada más. Y'all know what that means. Nothing less, nothing more, okay? So, I mean, this helped my supply tremendously. So when I went back to work, I'm talking about, where did that milk go? Okay, I was like, ain't no way I'm pumping crumbs. Okay, I was pumping crumbs. So I went back to work in May. It is July, and I'm experiencing the same thing of what is it called, a decrease in my milk. And the reason being is because we was out for the 4th of July, and you know, when you out for work, you not pumping, hunty, you letting that baby latch, okay? And so she was just latching on demand, and I wasn't pumping. So when I got a text from my husband like, hey, Paige ain't got no milk for tomorrow. So you telling me she went through 2 weeks of milk in my deep freezer? Because I was like 2 weeks ahead, you know. So if I'm pumping this week, it's for, you know, we using the milk supply for a week. I can't explain it, but I was 2 weeks ahead, and I had her stuff down to science. So with all that being said, yes, I was like, okay girl, you know what, you finna make me dry it up, and you finna be on some formulas. But we're not finna do formula. Nothing against formula. It's just that I don't want to go through that phase of like, oh, is it gonna upset her stomach? Is she gonna like it or not like it? And fortunately enough, I know I'm talking fast, but I'm trying to do this video in 5 minutes, guys. But fortunately enough, her doctor on her 9-month checkup said she could start cow's milk. We don't consume cow's milk at our house, so Paisley will not either. So we're gonna go straight to plant-based milk, and we're gonna try the toddler formula, what is it called, toddler plant-based alternative. So it's their milk instead of, you know, like Similac or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, we will be discovering that, and I will keep you in, you know, in tune with that. But anyway, back to the milk. So my results, I'm gonna have them here. Now I need to get out my phone because I don't see what I'm editing right now. So I pumped without Pump Princess. Let's see. I'm not prepared. I pumped on July the 6th, 9:30 a.m. pump session for 9 minutes. Amount 6 ounces without Pump Princess. And then I got y'all a lovely picture floating around here somewhere with that. And then on the next day, well, no, within 6 hours. So I normally pump 3 times, but since my milk supply plummeted, I want to say I pumped only 2. So at 9 and 4 before I get ready to, you know, wind down from work and get my stuff together for the next day, because I get off at 5:30. But so at 4 p.m. pump session for 9 minutes, amount 7 ounces within 6 hours and 30 minutes of pumping. So you might be like, oh, well, you haven't pumped in a long time, and of course it would be more, you probably add more and this, that, and yeah. No, hunty, listen, it doesn't matter. If the most I get is always in the morning. Now anytime after that, it's just like, you know, we're just not gonna hurt your feelings, but we're gonna make you still be encouraged. So I will get a roughly around less than that. So if I pump 6, I'm getting about 4.5, okay? But, and that's when my supply drops. So when I get it steady, it's always around the 7, 6, 5. So it goes literally like, I'll go down an ounce, but you know, I haven't been pumping. So that was 6 hours and 30 minutes. So the next day, so this is giving y'all a 24-hour mark. Oh Lord, is that video? Oh no, here it is. I'm about to say, is it gone? So on July the 7th at 9:30 p.m. for 9 months, pump with Pump Princess, I've totaled, I forgot to write it down for y'all, but there's 5, 6, 7, it's 8 ounces. I increased my milk supply by 2 ounces in 24 hours of Pump Princess. To you, for those that get like 8 ounces a session, that may not seem like a lot, but for those just enough-ers, okay, the 2 ounces can either make way for a bottle or no bottle. You know what I mean? So that's my experience. I'm gonna wrap this up. If you want to, you know, been questioning if Pump Princess works, I say go for it. The ingredients is organic black cumin, organic fennel. Some people may not react to fennel well, and organic dill. So and then it's a vegetarian capsule. So that's all that's in this little stuff. So made with organic herbs, optimizes breast milk production, promotes milk flow. Yeah, it works. However, we have to be, no, disclaimer, what works for some moms may not work for the next mom. So if you don't see an increase in your milk supply, no worries. It's not the product, it's not you, it's just, that's just not a combination for you guys, you know? You're just not working together, okay? But I did put my friend on there, and she said she's noticed an increase, and what I've noticed was thicker milk, you know, the baby's getting fuller, no gas issues, no belching, no acid reflux. Because you know, once you start taking something different, especially to boost your milk, it kind of like make it fussy for the baby. But no, ma'am, go on and get you a little bottle, the $19.99. Go on and get it. And or if you're like me, I can just take 4 and I'll see an increase, okay? Because even those times I didn't even take the full doses. I just took 4 in the 24-hour span. So if you want to make your bottle last longer, if you know what I mean. But if you need that quick fix, and you know, trying to probably pump from, you know, going from 2 ounces to 10, maybe just, you know, do what it advises. But that's all I have for you guys. If you want to see more content or more tips on how to increase your milk, I am 9 months going strong on an exclusive breast milk, no formula, and it is hard. So make it easy. Make it easy for yourself. I will see. Oh, there. There we go. There we go. I'm still trying to work with this camera. Okay, there we go. Make it easy for yourself. But if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.